our cameraman had to get his act together. I mean, her act together. Okay. Now I plugged this in last night. I got it yesterday. The coffee Burr grinder. And let's see here. Can we turn this on yet? Don't forget I'm visually impaired, so I'm not sure where the on button is. Let's see if I can get it going again. It wasn't this bad yesterday. Okay. I don't know if I was missing the on button. I might have been looking in the wrong direction. I don't know. My vision is very, very narrow, and like I only see about a pin dot. So I have to scan, and I can easily miss that. So I don't know if it was on, but anyways, it doesn't matter. It's on now. Okay, so I still look how cool that looks. It's so nice. Let me turn the screen on. So cute, right? So right now it is set at 14 cups, so we just hit the cups like that, and then it's 2 cups 7 seconds on grind. Okay, right now it's right at the word fine. Let me just show you. Okay. Now, I'm going to run it just to show you that it does kind of work. Okay. Now I don't know why, I don't know if this part that I'm about to show you is the reason that it's not selling, it's not very popular. Because I would think that this is quite awesome, like having it just like, you know, press the button, set your timer gets set for how long automatically. To me, I would think that this would be pretty popular. Here's the problem. Now we all know Murphy's Law. Watch me turn it and watch it work. Well, as I'm turning it towards the espresso, there's what happens. Okay, now to turn it back on, you can hear all the clicks, and it's still not even back on. So, turn it back on to show the screen. Okay, and now, right now, I'm at medium. Okay. So now I'm going to start turning it towards the course. There's what happens. I cannot even go on the course, not even one notch. Okay, so the rest of these clicks would be different settings for course. Okay, and it does not go on. So it only goes on from the word fine to the word medium. So you get no fine, no espresso. You get no coarse. Okay, so that means, you know, like no French press or anything like that. It will only work for a drip coffee machine if I was to keep it, because these are the only ones that it'll go on for. Now, I was playing around here last night. Give that a little shake, goes on. So, okay. Now, let's see if we can change cup size. It's gonna let us. Okay, so it did let us do that. Now, let's hit start and see what happens. There's what happens. I'm not sure if this is the reason that it's not so popular, but I'm definitely not keeping it at like this. So I'm going to be packing it back up and returning it. So you just pull that out, and there's where your coffee beans would go. And then they're supposed to get chewed up and brought down to the cup. Okay? So it has to be something in the wiring, or you can tell that it's just a small problem, but it needs to be repaired. You shouldn't have to shake it to get it on. Okay. So let's say 1 cup. That's on the medium setting. Oops, I turned it off. Kind of loud, but I don't really mind that. It's not like it's running for an hour. Okay, so now here's another thing that I noticed. And I don't know again if it's something to do with the wiring or what's going on, but you would think now it won't go off. Okay, so we got it back on. Okay. It has no memory. So if you want it on 7, every single time you have to turn this back on, you have to reset. I mean, not that it's a huge deal, but the thing is that you would think that there'd be a memory, you know, or at least an up-down, because like this has no up-down, so if like right now I'm on 7, so oops, I meant to be on 2. So now I gotta scroll all through again. It's a good thing that it doesn't have like 50 settings or 30 settings. Oh, it, you know, you can run through it, but you know, it's just not working, unfortunately. This is being returned, unfortunately. I thought it was so sharp looking. Anyways, that's my video. If anybody else out there is having the same problems, if anybody knows why this is not popular, let me know, like, what your thoughts are. If you heard anything that, you know, is this the problem with all of these grinders, like all of these Cuisinart touchscreen Burr grinders? Or is it just a coincidence that mine is mucked up? So, okay, thanks for watching.